In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email groups in Zoho Mail. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly efficient, enabling you to communicate with multiple contacts simultaneously without needing to address them individually each time. Let's dive right in and make the most of your Zoho Mail experience. First off, open your preferred web browser and search for Zoho Mail. Once you reach the landing page, you'll need to log in. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to create an account, but for this video, we'll assume you already have one set up. Once you're logged in, you're presented with Zoho's extensive suite of applications. From this list, select Mail. This option will redirect you to your email interface. Now, on your Zoho Mail dashboard, it's time to navigate to your contacts or address book. You'll usually find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your contacts are stored and managed. To proceed with creating an email group, look at the left-hand pane where you'll see a category called Categories. Here, you'll notice a plus icon next to Categories. Click on the plus icon to initiate the creation of a new category, which will essentially be your email group. As you click, a prompt will appear asking you to name your new category. This name serves as the identifier for your email group, so choose something meaningful that reflects the individuals or purpose of this group. For instance, if it's a team project, you could name it after the project itself. Type in the name and press Enter to save your new category. Next, we need to add contacts to this newly created group. Go to the All Contacts section, which lists all your available contacts. Browse through this list to find the individuals you want to include in your group. Select the contacts by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. After selecting your desired contacts, look towards the top of the page for an option that says Add To. Click it, and you'll see a drop-down menu prompting you to choose the group. Select the category you just created, and your contacts will be added to this group. Once your group is set up, you're all set to use it. When composing a new email, instead of typing each contact's email address, you only need to start typing the category name in the To field. Zoho Mail will automatically recognize this as a group, allowing you to efficiently email all the contacts within it simultaneously. This feature can save you considerable time, especially if you frequently correspond with large groups. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage group communications using Zoho Mail. By harnessing the power of email groups, you can streamline your communications and ensure that your messages are conveyed efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!